Hi guys, welcome or welcome back to Life with Stephanie. It's your girl Stephanie, and we're back with a new YouTube video. So as you guys can see by the title of this video, I'm going to be doing this hairstyle, and if you guys want to know how to do this hairstyle, just stay tuned. Okay guys, and I look kind of crazy, but I already blow dried my hair and I parted my hair from ear to ear, and we're gonna start with the front first, so let's get started.
I know I gave it months ago. I know you're trying to forget. I know I gave it months ago. I know you're trying to forget. I know I gave it.
Guys, so I'm going to be using this edge control and also some beeswax, so this thing could last me some time.
And you falling, feel like you falling, feel like you falling, feel like you falling, falling down, 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 down,
Guys, so I had to do these two front braids off camera because it was hard and it was my first time trying to braid like forward. It was so hard, so I had to do it off camera, but we're gonna start with the first, well, the third braid.
It's just for you. Oh, tak boleh bang sedikit. Always in my heart, right there when I wanna. All these other girls are tempting, but I'm empty when you're gone. And they say, do you need me? Do you think I'm prepared? Do I make you feel like you did? I'm like, no, not really, 'cause oh, I think that I found myself a cheerleader. She's always right there when I need her. Oh, I think that I found myself a cheerleader. She's always right there. It's just for you. Oh, tak boleh bang sedikit. Cheerleader, she's always right there when I need her. Oh, I think that I found myself a cheerleader. She is always right there when I need her. Watch me pop it like a pro. Watch me pop it like a pro. Watch me pop it like a pro. I'm trying to get part of what? Watch me pop it like a pro. Watch me pop it like a pro. Watch me pop it like a pro. Watch me pop it. Pound them all. Fuck out of here. Let's do it. Ride it, my pony, my saddle's waiting. Come and jump on it. Need all my dudes to do me a favor. Go up to a chick right now, grab her by the hand, turn her ass around, and just ride it, 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 jump, jump on it, on it, on it, jump on it, on it, on it, jump on it, on it, on it, jump. Damn, yo. Right now, grab her by the hand, turn her ass around, and just ride it, 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 jump, jump on it, on it, on it, jump on it, on it, on it, jump on it, on it, on it, jump, 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 ride it, 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 ride it,
Okay guys, I am done with the front. Y'all, even I'm impressed because this look good, dog. Like, I didn't know I could have do this, but what? So guys, in the back is gonna be box braids, and wait, that's a plane interrupting me. So yeah guys, in the back I'm doing box braids, and guys, I am too lazy to part my own hair because the patience you need to have to part your hair in the back where you can't see, I can't, not today. So my cousin is here and I'm gonna leave her part my hair, and I'll be back when she part it. Okay guys, so my hair in the back is already parted. Yeah, me, you know how she do, but I hope she do them thing straight because I don't play with my lines. So yeah, she part them. So now I'm going to start braiding them.
I know I gave it months ago. I know you're trying to forget. I know I gave it months ago. I know you're trying to forget. I know I gave it, 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 months ago, go, gave it months ago, go, gave it months ago, go, gave it months ago, go, gave it, go, go, gave it, go, go, gave it, go, go, gave it, go, and you feel like, and you falling, 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 falling down, 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 down. I
I'm literally done with the back. Almost. I'm halfway. Yes, so we're gonna just continue braiding.
It's just for me. You. Oh, tak boleh bang sedikit. Always in my corner, right there when I wanna. All these other girls are tempting, but I'm empty when you're gone. And they say, do you need me? Do you think I'm prepared? Do I make you feel like you did? I'm like, no, not really, 'cause oh, I think that I found myself a cheerleader. She's always right there when I need her. Oh, I think that I found myself a cheerleader. She's always right there.
I applied all the rods to the straight pieces I left out so they can become curly. And now I'm going to put the hot water on, and after I'm finished with all of that, I'll be back. I am done with this hair tutorial. This is the final look. So yeah guys, make sure you guys like, comment and subscribe, and hit that bell for notification so you guys can be notified every time I post a new video. And see you guys in the next one.
She is always right there when I need her.